Are customers able to find your business on Google? When someone searches for your products or services, your business should appear clearly on Google Search and Google Maps. A Google business profile can help local customers discover your business, view your contact information, get directions, visit your website, read reviews and contact you directly. In this easy step-by-step guide, I will show you how to set up a Google business profile. Before starting, make sure your business is eligible. Google Business Profile is mainly intended for businesses that interact with customers face-to-face. This may include a shop, office, restaurant, clinic, showroom or a service business that visits customers at their locations. Online-only businesses that do not meet customers in person may not be eligible. Step 1. Sign in to your Google account. Use a Google account that you want to keep connected to your business. For better security and long-term management, it is advisable to use a dedicated business email account rather than a temporary personal account. Step 2. Search for your business. Go to Google and search for the exact name of your business. Your business may already appear on Google Maps, even if you did not create the listing yourself. If you find an existing profile, select the option to claim or manage the business. Do not create a duplicate profile for the same business location. If your business is not listed, choose the option to add your business to Google. Step 3. Enter your business name. Use the real name displayed on your shopfront, website, invoices and official documents. Do not add unnecessary keywords, city names, phone numbers or promotional phrases to the business name. For example, instead of writing, "Best Furniture Shop in Muscat with cheap prices," enter only the genuine registered or trading name of the business. Step 4. Choose the correct business category. Select the category that most accurately describes the main service or product your business provides. For example, a furnishing company may select a category such as furniture supplier, office furniture store or interior designer, depending on its principal activity. Choose the most relevant primary category first. Additional categories can be added later when appropriate. Step 5. Add your location or service area. If customers visit your shop, showroom or office, enter the complete physical address. Make sure the address is accurate and matches your genuine business location. If you visit customers and do not serve them at your address, you may be able to hide the address and enter the cities or regions you serve. Do not use a virtual office, temporary location or address where your business does not actually operate. Step 6. Add your contact details. Your website should clearly show your business name, services, contact details and location. Enter your main business telephone number and website address. Use contact information that customers can rely on. Consistent information across your website, Google profile and social media accounts can help customers trust your business. Step 7. Add your business hours. Enter the correct opening and closing times for each day. Update special hours during holidays, Ramadan, public holidays or temporary closures. Incorrect opening hours can frustrate customers and result in negative reviews. Step 8. Verify your business. Google requires verification to confirm that you are authorized to manage the business. The verification method offered may vary depending on the business, location and information available to Google. You may be offered video verification, phone, text message, email, live video call or another available method. Follow only the options shown inside your Google business profile. For video verification, Google may ask you to demonstrate the business location, equipment, signage and proof that you are authorized to manage the business. Make sure your business name, physical location and supporting evidence are genuine and consistent. Step 9. Complete your profile. After verification, add a professional business description. Clearly explain what your company offers, who you serve and the areas you cover. Avoid excessive promotional language, links or misleading claims. Upload a clear logo, cover image, exterior photo, interior photos, team photos and images of your products or completed work. Use real, high-quality photographs whenever possible. Step 10. Add products and services. List your important services with clear descriptions. Where available, add products with photographs, names, prices and helpful details. This makes it easier for customers to understand your business before contacting you. Step 11. Collect genuine customer reviews. Ask satisfied customers to leave an honest Google review. Never purchase fake reviews or offer misleading incentives. Respond professionally to both positive and negative reviews. A polite and helpful response shows potential customers that your business values customer service. Step 12. Keep the profile active. Publish regular updates, offers, new products, completed projects and important announcements. Upload fresh photographs and keep your contact information, website, services and opening hours updated. Monitor questions, messages and reviews regularly. A complete and active Google business profile can improve your online visibility and make it easier for local customers to connect with your business. Remember, creating the profile is only the beginning. Accurate information, genuine reviews, professional photographs and regular updates are essential for long-term success. Djeema Digital Marketing helps businesses with website design, local SEO, Google Business Profile Optimization, digital business cards and social media marketing. To learn more, visit djeema.com. Subscribe to Djeema Digital Marketing for more practical digital marketing tutorials for small businesses.